Take a ride in 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, tires, front performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.